Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I want to talk about pushed close dates. You never know if the report that they're forecast to close and the quarter that they're forecast to close in is actually accurate because their close date just keeps getting pushed. But there's a really simple way to get a better understanding of which deals those are and identify where they're coming from in HubSpot. So here we have our deal hygiene report, and I'm going to pay particular attention to this close date pushed 6+ times or 5+ times. So if I open up the filters, we can take a look. All we're looking at here is deals where the close date has changed more than 5 times. So close date change property greater than 5. That property is simply a number property, which we are going to update in a workflow to count the number of times that the close date for a deal is changed. So here is that workflow. We're just going to track deal close date changes. And we're going to use the property value changed enrollment trigger. We're going to turn re-enrollment on. And we are going to say when the close date has a new value and that close date property value is known, we are going to increase the close date change property by 1. So this is just going to be a rolling count of the number of times that the close date has changed, which we can then report on as a count of the number of deals where that is the case. So if we open this up, you'll see that we can view those deals. We can dig into what has happened. We can get right to those records. But this helps surface the cases or the deals where it's actually happening. The close date is getting pushed out, and you can flag those if there are patterns in where those deals are sourced from, who the reps are, who is involved in the deals, or specific other missing data in those deals. Then you have a way to nail that down and start making improvements. If you enjoyed this video, I hope you like and subscribe to the channel. I'll be posting more videos like this. Simple, step-by-step, go-to-market playbooks for HubSpot. Thanks.